Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Streak CRM inside Gmail and Google Workspace to manage leads, sales, clients, and even projects, all without leaving your inbox. First, make sure you're signed in to your Gmail account. If you don't have one yet, go to gmail.com and create a free account, or log in using your Google Workspace email. Step 1. Install the Streak CRM extension. Visit the Chrome Web Store, search for Streak CRM for Gmail, and click Add to Chrome. After installing, refresh Gmail. You'll start seeing Streak icons and menus directly in your inbox. It works smoothly with both free Gmail accounts and Google Workspace. Step 2. Create or choose a pipeline. Click the Streak orange icon in the top toolbar and select New Pipeline. You can pick from templates like sales, support, hiring, real estate, or project management. Each pipeline works like a table or Kanban board, where you can customize columns and stages, such as new lead, contacted, follow-up, and closed. You can track emails, update statuses, and view notes, all within Gmail. Step 3. Add emails to your pipeline. Open any email and you'll see an Add to Pipeline button on the right. Click it to assign that contact or conversation to a stage in your pipeline. You can track email opens, set follow-up reminders, and add notes, tasks, or tags. You can also share pipelines with your team. Step 4. Manage your CRM inside Gmail. All your CRM data stays inside Gmail, so there's no need to switch tools. On the left sidebar, you'll find options like boxes, leads, projects, pipelines, reports, reminders, and mail merge. You can also use filters and color labels to organize everything more efficiently. It works seamlessly with Google Workspace. You can connect with Google Contacts, Google Calendar, Google Drive for file storage, and Google Sheets for exporting and reporting. This setup is perfect for freelancers, small teams, or anyone who relies heavily on Gmail. While advanced features like automation and detailed reporting are available in paid plans, the free version is more than enough to get started. Click the link in the description to get started for free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.